If the only ads that your audience sees are from you asking them to either book, opt in, apply, register, or buy, it's very possible you might be burning pipeline equity without even realizing it. And that could be why your VSL ads are getting more expensive to scale right now. If you allow me about 4 minutes, I can share with you our Goodwill approach. And it's a simple way to rebuild attention before asking your audience to take the next step again. Okay, I actually have a simple pipeline audit you can use to check whether or not your audience is seeing too many sales messages and not enough trust building content right now. Hiya, I'm Tina. I've been working with coaches and course creators and service providers with VSL and webinar funnels to improve their return on ad spend. And we do that by finding gaps where leads drop off and then using structured video content and behavioral retargeting to move more of those people towards buying from you. And in every video at the moment, I'm going to give you a clear idea that you can use to make better advertising decisions without having to add more noise to your funnel. I want to share with you this problem now because it's something we keep noticing. Most businesses running VSL funnels are really heavily focused on conversion ads. Book a call, register for the webinar, watch the VSL, apply now, download this, take the next step. There's nothing wrong with any of those ads. You do need them, but think about this. If this is all that your audience ever sees, then your brand starts to feel like it only shows up when it wants something. And that's where pipeline equity starts to burn down. So when your results drop, most business owners try to fix it by promoting harder. They launch more offer ads, they add more urgency, they test stronger hooks, and then they push the same audience again and again and again. And they ask our agency for more leads, more reach, more creators. But most never reflect, have we given this audience enough value for them to keep paying attention to us? Because you've got to think about this from your own perspective. Attention is not unlimited. If your audience sees messages that ask them to take action, what's going to happen is they'll start slowly to tune out to your face and your voice and your ads. And your warm audience will get colder. Your offer ads have to work much harder. Your retargeting becomes less effective. And instead of building trust over time, your ad account just becomes a constant ask. And that is when scaling starts to feel heavier than it should. But I do have a simple way to fix this. We'll start fixing it anyway. The first thing you want to do, you want to kind of audit the ask to value ratio. So you can do this easily by just looking at the last 10 ads or content pieces your audience has seen. And then just look at it, how many asked for something and how many gave something useful without any ask. The second thing you want to do is you want to add at least one goodwill message. Just create a short video that solves a real problem that your ideal client or buyer is already thinking about without them asking to book, buy, or register from you. And then the third thing you want to do is always use goodwill before the next offer. Before pushing another direct offer, an ad or whatever it might be, you just want to warm the audience with a very useful insight that makes them think, they exactly understand what's happening in our funnel. Now, this works because goodwill builds and rebuilds attention. And when your audience gets value for their asked to act, they're far more likely to notice your next ad offer, trust the message, and then understand why your solution matters. Now, the pipeline audit will actually help you see whether your audience is being warmed up properly right now, or whether they're just mostly being asked to take action from you. So if you want that, drop the word audit below. I'm happy to send it over because sometimes the next move is not to promote harder. It's simply to step back and rebuild enough trust just so that your promotions can work easily again.